Hello and welcome back to another day of Nextdoor Automation. My name is Eric. I help business owners to grow their presence on Nextdoor through automation to get more leads. So you can check my website. The link is in the description, and I do daily videos to give you tips and tricks on how to best use Nextdoor and grow your business. So today I'm going to talk about when you are a group admin and you're trying to develop your conversion funnel on Nextdoor. You have created your group, topical group, and I'll link a video here if you have not seen it yet, why you should have a group to build your conversion funnel on Nextdoor. And you will encounter sooner or later some notifications in your notification section, some messages from moderators. So moderators are people who are monitoring publications on Nextdoor. They are not part of Nextdoor staff. They are voluntary. What's the name in English? People who work for free. So they help monitor Nextdoor and make sure that the guidelines are followed by each and everyone. Unfortunately, when you are a group admin, you cannot administrate your group as well as in other social media, such as Facebook, for example. So Facebook group, you can decide to preview all the publications before they are posted. On Nextdoor, it's only after people post something that you that you are aware that they have posted something. So I wish in the future Nextdoor management and staff will implement this type of feature to help a better monitoring of things, at least in the group. So if you're an admin of a group, you should be able to administrate it properly. So my customer has a group that I help him run to publish weekly videos about events, sports events, cultural events, and it's in line with his line of activity. And since we started that's 2 years ago, we have reached almost 8,000 members. So soon we'll be celebrating the 8,000 new member. Unfortunately, as you see, this is obviously a group that is about going out, free stuff and so on, but people come and publish unwanted posts, such as this one. He just wants to promote his handyman activity, fixing cabinets and stuff like that. Somebody wants to sell a second-hand couch and chair. This one is offering to sell some beautiful fruit basket and so on, and that's the publications that we do. This one is promoting his locksmith services, and so on and so on. So there's a lot of cleaning to be done. So I have obviously done automation for my customer to do so. But sometimes people do post things that are against community guidelines, and you get flagged as a group admin. So you did not post yourself, people post on your group, and you get these notifications like this Nextdoor moderator has flagged, has reported this post, and this other post, and this post, and so this guy was very active, or this lady, I don't know, was very active. That happens in the span of 30 minutes, and if you don't act too quick, or if the post is not, let's say the community guideline post infringement is very high risk, you get banned. and you get kicked out of the platform. So lessons learned from that, few stuff. One, monitor your group regularly, otherwise you get troubles. Two, always have a backup system, a backup account. Ask your friend, family, spouse to create a second account and put them as a co-admin of the group, because if you get banned, you will not get access to your admin, to the administrative account of that group. Losing a 8,000 member group is kind of yeah, sad. That's so much effort done along the way. You don't want to lose it. And number three is use automation, because with automation you can clean, for example, unwanted post. So you can send an automation where it will auto delete. So I'm not touching my mouse and my computer anymore, and this will help you clean unwanted posts automatically. So that's very useful. The same way I've developed some automation for auto posting. There's auto moderation that you see now. You can also what are the other ones? Yeah, auto welcome members. So when you have new members coming here, you can send them an auto message saying, hey, welcome to join this group. We're going to talk about this. And by the way, if you're interested in a 20% discount code for new members joining this group, this is follow the link that I have sent you. So it will send this message on auto mode, and yeah, you will save time and money and get more leads. So create your group, create your conversion funnel on Nextdoor, and get leads on auto mode that way. If you want to know more about my services, I link here a video showing you more about my automations. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.